Hello everyone, welcome to Treflo Publishers. So in this video we are starting a series of Excel tutorial that I have titled Excel with Treflo. This is the introduction video. So let's dive in. What is Excel? Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software used for data organization, analysis, and visualization. It allows users to perform calculations, create charts, manage large database, and automate tasks using formulas and macros. Excel is widely used in businesses, schools, research institutions, and personal finance management. Why learn Excel? Why do we need to learn Excel? Of what use is learning Excel to us? Number one, the knowledge of Excel is essential for data management. Excel helps you in organizing data efficiently using rows and columns. You can sort, filter, and analyze data quickly, making it an essential tool for students, professionals, and business owners. Number two, it improves your productivity and efficiency with built-in functions and formulas. Excel reduces manual work, saving time and increasing accuracy. Tasks like budgeting, report generation, and data analysis become faster and more reliable. Number three, it helps in your decision making. Excel allows users to visualize data through charts, graphs, and pivot tables. This makes it easier to identify trends, compare figures, and make informed decisions in business, in education, and research. Number four, it is useful in any career field. Excel is useful in any career field, whether you are an accountant, a teacher, a business owner, engineer, or a marketer. Excel is a valuable skill. It is used in financial analysis, project management, sales tracking, and even in education for grading and performance. Like this particular one I am showing on my screen right now, I designed everything you are looking at. This is my dashboard. Everything you are looking at here, I designed it with Excel, Microsoft Excel. You know, this is the grading system here. This is the brush sheet, and educators can input the scores of their students easily and then generate the report sheets, give it to their students here. Everything done with Microsoft Excel, meaning that you can achieve so much using Microsoft Excel. Number five, automation with macros and VBA. Advanced users can automate repetitive tasks using macros and Visual Basic for applications. This reduces errors and increases efficiency in handling large data sets. For instance, let's look at this particular one. This was achieved using VBA, and this is advanced user can automate repetitive tasks. This is what is used by advanced users. VBA. The full meaning of VBA is Visual Basic for applications. You will get to learn more of this as we continue with this series that I have titled Excel with Treflo. Number six, support collaboration and sharing. Excel integrates with cloud services like OneDrive, like Google Sheets, allowing multiple users to use on the same file simultaneously. Alright, this makes teamwork and data sharing a lot easier. Now, let us see what we can start with on Excel. Learning Excel is a smart investment for anyone looking to improve their data management, analytical skills, and productivity, whether for personal or professional use. Mastering Excel opens doors to better job opportunities and smart decision making. Would you like us to start now? Now let's go into the practical. How do you open Excel as a novice or a layman or a total beginner? Let us dive in. And so you go to your home browser on your desktop, go to the start button, go to all programs. On my own, I am seeing all apps. So either you see all apps or all programs, and then you stroll to go and look for Microsoft Office. When you see Microsoft Office, the next thing you are going to see is a drop down arrow. For some other type of version, you might not even see a drop down arrow. You might just see the list of every software under Microsoft Office. And so we are going straight to Excel. This is Excel. I am using Excel 2013, and so I double click on it to open it. And here is my Excel interface. It's not showing properly because I am hiding some tools. Let me show tools here. All right, we are still coming back to this particular database to check out some things, but let's check the Excel database. Excel. Now let us check a blank workbook. These ones are templates, but let's check a blank workbook. So we click on blank workbook. All right, we double click on a blank workbook to open it. Let us understand the Excel interface. Up here is the title bar. The title bar is where holds the name of the document you are currently working on. For instance, this book 3 is the name of this particular document because we have not saved it with any name. And here we have the menu bar. The menu bar is always also called the ribbons or the tabs. We have the file, the home, the insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and developer. This developer, if you open your own, you might not see it. So as we move on, I will show you how to bring it up here. And then another thing I quickly want to show you, we are on home, and that is why we are seeing this place. So let's check insert. The tabs for this standard bar or property bar will change immediately you click on any of these ribbons up here. If you click on page layouts, the property bar will change. If you click on formula, the property bar will giving you more options to choose from. Now let's go back to home and check out something. This is cell 1. This is cell 1. If you, the way I have clicked this range now, this is the column, this is the column. All right, and let me show you the row. The row goes like this. The row goes like this. This is column, and this is row. So a particular one, this is cell A3. See this one, cell C3. See this one, cell D1. Okay, let me click another random one, cell G8. Okay, so if I pick, that is cell. Now let's say I pick something like this. This is no more cell, this is range. That is range of cells that I have picked. Range of cells that I have picked. And all these places I am showing you, these parts that I am picking, whether the range or the cell, is called sheet. The work area is called sheet, the work area. And this is sheet 1. This is sheet 1. You can increase the number of sheets if you have a lot of things to do. Now see, by using this button, this plus sign, you can bring in another sheet. You can rename this sheet to suit whatever you want to use it for. You can match cells, that is cells like this, do it like this, and then match. All of these, one after the other, we are going to have practicals on them. I just want to show you the general overview of what the Excel interface looks like. Everything here on this font, alignment, numbers, styles, everything on these fonts, alignment, numbers, styles, cells, editing, we can use it for formatting. And here is the function. Look at this place, is the function cell. Can you see? That is where we insert function, or that is where you can view a particular function of what is inside a particular cell. And this place you can renumber your cell name. In this particular, can you see, name box, you can renumber your cell name there. And so if you want to insert anything at all, you go to insert. So you can insert table, you can insert shapes, you can insert picture, you can bring something from online. This is the part you put in charts, graphs, you know, pivot charts, lines, columns, all these things. You can use it on your Excel, you know, symbols and all of that. And then you can do your page layout from this particular ribbon. If you just click on this particular ribbon, these tabs will open up. So you can change the orientation, you can change the margin, the size, the print area, the breaks, the background color, and everything. You can change it here. I'm just showing you the interface of Excel, of Microsoft Excel. And then here you can do with formulas. See different formulas here. Now how you use each formula for whatever you want to use it for is a function of that particular template you are designing, or what you are actually interested in doing with Microsoft Excel. And here you can come to use data. Anything related to data is here. As we move on, you will understand the usage of each of these things one after the other. And here we have the review. You can protect your sheet, your workbook. You can share it from here, and you can go to the next one, which is view. You can check the page break preview. You can hide formula bar, you can hide headings, you can zoom, you can freeze. You know, maybe you want this part up here to still be showing or whatever. You can freeze and arrange your cells. And you can record macros. This one is for advanced. And then this developer tab, I said I'm going to show you how to bring it up as we move on, especially when there is need for us to use it. And let me quickly show you some shortcut keys. So I'm going to use this one. Let me come to this particular one that is well designed to show you. Let me show you the brush sheets here. So let's say I am here, but I want to go to the first cell, which is cell A1. I'll just click on Control plus Home. There will be Home on your keyboard. So just look for Home and Control. You press the two together, Control and Home, and here I have my cursor. It has come here. Okay, let me do it again so we can see it properly. Sorry, I want to remove this button so we can see what I'm showing us properly. All right, so you will click on Control and Home together. It will bring you to this cell A1 here. So let's say I want to move to the edge, the last part of this particular sheet I'm showing you. I will click on Control and the arrow key that is going to the right. That is if I want to go to the right. So meaning if I want to go to the left, I will bring it. I'll click on Control and the arrow key going to the left. Now let's do that. Control and arrow key going to the right. Okay. Now can you see it's moving? It's moving. Can you see the arrow? Can you see the cursor that is actually moving? Now let's say I want to go to the end. I don't want it to move the way it's moving. I want to go to the end. I'll click on Control and the end. Yeah, this is the end of this particular sheet, and so it's showing me the end of it. Now from this end I want to go back to cell A1, the beginning. What are we going to do? If you can remember, put it in the comment section. You will click on Control plus Home, and then it takes us back to where we took off from. And so those are the shortcut key: Control plus Home, Control plus the arrow key to go up, to go down, to go sideways, and Control plus N to go to the end of your sheet, where your sheet is ending. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video here because this is just introduction From the next video, we begin to pick each of these things one after the other. How to do this, how to do this, how to do this, how to do this. But before we go, let me quickly show you how to bring up this developer tab. Okay, you go to home, you go to options, and then you go to customize ribbon. Now look at this developer. My own is checked because I have it up there already. So by the time you are getting here, your own will be unchecked. Your own will be unchecked like this. And so to bring it up, you will check it and then you bring it on and click on OK. So you will see it here the way you are seeing mine. This is where you are going to be doing the advanced part, but for now you might not need it. All right, so see you in the next video. If you want more videos like this, or you have a particular thing you really want us to deal with as far as learning Excel is concerned, please put it in the comment section. It will help us to know the kind of video to make to teach you better Microsoft Excel. Thank you. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe so you can get notified when I upload another video regarding Microsoft Excel or any other thing that is valuable to teach you more as you advance in learning anything Microsoft Excel. Thank you. I love you all.